Hi everyone, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if your headphone jack is not working in your device POCO M5. So if you're having trouble with your headphone jacks in POCO M5, you can make it work by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix any problem related to headphone jacks in your device.